Okay, good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right? Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am.
You can understand English and you can speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Otherwise, if you don't know how to communicate, better stay in the Philippines, okay? Because you cannot also communicate with the employer, then there is no point of coming here. If you don't know how to communicate yourself with the employer, you don't know how to you cannot understand simple English, then better stay in the Philippines. Yeah, as long as you are okay. Speaking of English, we don't speaking of English fluently. It's if you don't know how to speak English fluently, it's okay. As long as you can deliver and you can talk or you can communicate with the employer, it's okay and you can understand. Yeah? Do you have any problem with your body or do you have any health issues in your body?
Uh, no, ma'am.
You are healthy.
Yes.
If you are unhealthy, also better stay in the Philippines. Okay? Don't proceed applying to other countries so that you cannot give also trouble with your agency or your agency to other counterpart agency in other countries. Okay? Okay, please speak louder. Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so second
Yes.
time round, is it? Okay, so why did you wanted to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose to go Singapore or Hong Kong? You are still young, 28 years old. Why you wanted to come here in Malaysia? Salary here is very low.
Uh, I want to try to go Malaysia to work.
Okay, do you have friends or any family members here?
No, ma'am.
Noah. Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Um, Good morning, ma'am. My name is Arlene Nakambra. I'm 28 years old. I'm married. I live in Namboran, Santo Domingo, Luxor. I'm birthday of United States. I have one kid. It's a boy. Her age is 9 years old.
Okay, say please proceed again.
Start, ma'am.
No, no. You have children. You have child one, is it?
It's yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
So,
I need to know
uh,
some few more details from you first, okay?
yes,
You mentioned that you are a married woman. Okay, your birthday is April 27, 1996, correct?
yes.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'3". My weight is 60 kilos.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background? Sorry? High school level. So you got one kid, which is 9 years old.
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of this kid once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My parents,
Okay. What about your husband? How old is your husband? And what is his occupation?
her age is 28 years old, and her occupation is construction worker.
Did your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't have problem later.
No,
No
ma'am.
issue, we don't want later that your family ask you to go back home. No such a thing because you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Okay? Your family is not the one who come to work here in Malaysia. You will be the one who will working here. So if they ask you to go back home, you can go back home, but you know that there will be a consequences. Yeah. So once breaching of contract, you know you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family, please or anything in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. You know it because you also got experience working abroad, right? Okay, but if there is any problems or any concerns regarding your employer, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years. So if the employer didn't hear you out, then you could tell us, and that we will going to inform also your employer. Okay? Okay, please speak louder. I cannot clearly hear you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Usage of mobile handphone, you know that you cannot hold your phone during working time. You can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day, but instead, you can only stay inside the employer's house. If you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary, which means in our contract right now you have 1,800. But if you will work on your rest day, you could have 2,080 ringgit for every month. So are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure that yes?
Yes, ma'am.
I want to be
Sure, ma'am.
clarified and I want to be specific in our initial interview so that once you come to work here in Malaysia, you don't demand us about all these things. And don't ask permissions about the employer because we will going to stick with our rules and regulations of no go out policies. Yeah?
Yes,
It's
yes,
either
ma'am.
you are okay, then you can come, don't give us trouble, don't give us headache. But if you disagree, then better stay in the Philippines so that you cannot give us problem also. Okay? Don't force yourself that yeah, it's okay, okay, I can come, but deep inside your heart, you don't agree about the rules and regulations. No. Okay? So we just wanted to make it clear in our initial interview so that we don't have problem later. You don't want also problem, right?
Yes,
Okay, so normally, how do you handle your homesickness? Like, for example, you miss your family. Of course, it is not new for you working abroad, but sometimes, even no matter how long we are working outside the Philippines, there is such sometimes that homesickness and stress attack us, most especially that we are alone working to other countries. So, how do you fight for it?
for me, I just focus my work. That's why I feel homesickness.
Okay. Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, okay? In
Yes,
Philippines, if you have given a chance to work in other countries, we need to work properly and we need to work hard, okay? Because in Philippines, we might don't have any opportunities knowing that the government right now or in Philippines right now is really drastically down. Am I right? So we don't have any choice but to work hard, but to apply it to other countries because that is only our choice that we can like work in other countries same like what you are applying for as a domestic helper, correct? So you know that being a domestic helper is very tough job. You need to clean the entire house. You need to clean the toilet. The houses here is very big. If there is children or elderly inside the house, you need to assist them also. You need to be flexible. That's a domestic helper's job, right? And I am saluting to all OFW that experiencing all of it and enduring this job. Okay? So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
yes, ma'am. Ready.
Ready, yeah?
Yes,
Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
yes,
Yes. Are you okay to take care elderly people?
yes,
Can you cook?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes,
Okay. Do you know how to speak Malay or Mandarin? Malay or
ma'am.
Mandarin, do you know how to speak?
What?
Language. You know how to speak Malay or Mandarin? Like Chinese language. Do you know how to speak?
No, ma'am.
No, okay. So in your by data, it was stated that you have a working experience in Kuwait way back 2022 to 2024 and you finished your contract, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you share it with me? What are your duties there to your previous employment in Kuwait?
My duties there is to take care of their children, ma'am, and I'm doing house cleaning, laundry, and ironing, and sometimes I cook their dinner, mom.
Okay. How old are those children that you take care?
Uh, 10, 6, and 4 years old, ma'am.
10, 6, and 4 years old. So what happened? Why you leave your employer in Kuwait? Why you didn't renew your contract there?
Uh, I just want to go home now. It's already
Okay.
I'm my
So as long as you are finish your contract, then we don't have any problem. Okay. So you need to finish your contract here. Otherwise, you need to compensate. Yeah. So it's really hard to find money. So better work properly. Finish your 2 years contract. Yeah.
yes, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time, Arlene. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you.